Good medical morning. Today, we're going to discuss the world's tallest actor, Matthew McGrory. Known as the 10-foot tall man for his role in various movies, his actual height was 7'6", according to the Guinness Book of World Records. He was also listed in the Guinness Book for having the largest shoe size not caused by elephantiasis. His shoe size was 29.5. That is gigantic.
And here's the story of the man who wears those shoes. Baby Matthew McGrory was a puzzle to delivery room doctors. He was certainly the biggest baby they'd ever seen.
He was also over 5 foot tall in kindergarten, and he could dunk a basketball without jumping. He was known for his work on the Howard Stern Show, the movie Big Fish, and in The Devil's Rejects.
Armed with the full knowledge of my own death, I knew the giant couldn't kill me. All the same, I preferred to keep my bones unbroken.
Why are you here?
Sadly, an injury during The Devil's Rejects put him in a wheelchair. He was actually filming a movie where he played Andre the Giant when he passed in 2005.
A very time-consuming process, some of those physical scenes you did?
Well, you know, believe it or not, I actually have a stunt double.
Did you?
So it wasn't as difficult as it made it come across. Parents finally found an orthopedic shoemaker who made shoes pretty much for old ladies. But he, was able to make me a pair. And back then, that was 10, 15 years ago, that was $1,000. Once it's there when you're sweating, you're like, and you know you're wearing it. Right? Yeah, exactly. I'll take a look to do an hour and a half to get it off, which is good because then I can stay for lunch.
Let's wrap on Matthew playing time.
Click like for Matthew McGrory and leave a comment below. What are your thoughts on this giant? We'll try to reply to all the comments.
Hey, what's up with everybody in the world? This your boy Kylie Muscle, and as you see, I represent muscle and fitness and cuts and striations. You see what I'm saying? And this is a shout out to the team at Synergy. You guys are doing a great work, man. Nobody cares more about fitness and nutrition than I do. So keep up the good work. It's all about incredible gains and great results. Stay motivated. Love y'all. Let me give you a little more inspiration and motivation. Look at them cuts. Love you. Stay blessed.